classroom, you get all the kids' attention, and then you say, I like the way you're sitting crisscross, even though no one's sitting crisscross. What happens? Everybody, like crisscrossitrons, right? And then you'll have one of your alphas go, no one's sitting crisscross. You'll be like, really? And they run over and they say crisscross. But watch the beauty of humanity. Ready? I like the way you're sitting up straight. 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 Okay, cool. How many of you knew what I wanted you to do? How many of you, knowing that I wanted you to sit up straight, caught yourself about to sit up straight and made a powerful choice on not sitting up straight? And you wonder why your kids are stifling. And here's the best part. So I start, if you're happy, clap your hands. So what I do is I start over here. And then slowly as I get closer to you, and you know you're not doing what I want you to do, the excitement internally builds up. And then when I make eye contact and you're going, oh, I'm not doing what you want me to do. And then if you get it right, how crazy is that?